Learning while sleeping is everyone's dream, so is this possible? It is not possible to learn a skill while sleeping, but possible to strengthen memory. The brain doesn't stay idle while we sleep, records what we've been through all day. It is possible to make this process effective. Smell and sound. Scientist Diekelman asked her volunteers to play a variation of the game Concentration, in which they had to learn a specific pattern of objects in a grid before going to sleep in her lab. Some of the subjects were exposed to a subtle, artificial odor as they played, and Diekelman then wafted the same scent into their noses as they slept. Brain scans showed that these subjects had greater communication between the hippocampus and several cortical areas, compared to those without the cue, just the kind of activity that should lead to enhanced memory consolidation. Sure enough, those subjects remembered about 84% of the object locations when they awoke, while a control group remembered just 61%. It's not just sweet smells that could boost learning, sounds might also be able to trigger recall, provided they do not wake you up in the process. In one study, volunteers found it easier to master a musical game, a little like Guitar Hero, if they heard soft strains of the melody as they slept. Bjorn Rasch at the University of Zurich, Switzerland, meanwhile, found that the same setup helped Swiss German speakers learning Dutch vocabulary, allowing them to remember about 10% more. Tech upgrade. In the near future, technology may offer further ways of upgrading the brain's sleep cycles. Memory consolidation is thought to occur during specific, slow, oscillations of electrical activity, so the idea here is to subtly encourage those brain waves without waking the subject. Jan Born, at the University of Tübingen, has been at the forefront of these experiments. In 2004, he found that he could help amplify those signals using transcranial direct current stimulation (TDCS), which passes a small electric current across the skull, successfully improving his subject's performance on a verbal memory test. These techniques need improvement in order to go into daily use. Many products are on sale to strengthen memory while sleeping. So does it work? We don't know. More information about this issue will be revealed in the future.